Want to know a secret about building wealth? It's something that most financial advisors won't tell you up front. It's not just about earning more. Sure, a higher income helps, but it's only part of the equation. It's about understanding the silent wealth killers that drain your hard-earned money. These are the expenses that sneak up on you month after month, year after year. We talk a lot about cutting back on lattes, but what about the biggest culprit lurking in your garage? Yes, that's right, your car. I'm talking about transportation costs. These are often overlooked but can be a significant drain on your finances. Many people don't realize how much they spend on getting around. From daily commutes to weekend getaways, it all adds up. They see it as a necessary expense, not a place to save. But what if I told you there are ways to cut these costs significantly? But the truth is, transportation costs can make or break your financial future. Ignoring them can lead to financial strain. Think about it. Car payments, insurance premiums, gas, maintenance, it all adds up. And these aren't just small expenses, they can be quite substantial. These costs can easily eat up thousands of dollars each year, money that could be invested, used to pay off debt, or simply enjoyed. Imagine what you could do with an extra few $1,000s. It's time to stop ignoring this silent wealth killer and take control of your transportation expenses. Start by evaluating your current spending and look for areas to cut back. By making smarter choices, you can free up significant cash flow and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Whether it's carpooling, using public transportation, or even downsizing your vehicle, every little bit helps. When you buy a car, the sticker price is just the beginning. It's the number that catches your eye, but it's far from the final cost you'll face. It's like stepping onto a financial treadmill that keeps demanding more money. Each step you take, each mile you drive, adds to the ongoing expenses. Beyond that initial cost, you're signing up for a long list of expenses that can quickly drain your bank account. These include not just the obvious costs, but also the hidden ones that sneak up on you. Let's start with the obvious car payments. These are the monthly installments you agree to when you finance your vehicle. If you're financing your vehicle, those monthly payments can feel like a huge weight on your shoulders. They are a constant reminder of the debt you've taken on. Then there's insurance, which can vary widely depending on your driving record, location, and the type of car you own. Insurance is essential, but it can be a significant monthly expense. Don't forget about gas. With fluctuating fuel prices, filling up your tank can feel like a gamble, especially if you have a long commute or frequently drive. The cost of gas can add up quickly, making it a major part of your monthly budget. And let's not overlook the cost of maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep your car running smoothly and to avoid more costly repairs down the line. From routine oil changes to unexpected repairs, keeping your car in good condition can take a serious bite out of your budget. These costs can be unpredictable and often come at the worst times. All of these expenses add up to a significant financial burden that can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. It's important to consider the full picture of car ownership before making a purchase. Here's a harsh reality about cars. They're not investments. In fact, they're one of the fastest depreciating assets you can own. Depreciation is the decline in value of an asset over time, and cars are notorious for it. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, it loses a significant chunk of its value. This means you're essentially losing money every time you get behind the wheel. And the depreciation doesn't stop there. It continues year after year, especially in the early years of ownership. This invisible drain on your wealth is often overlooked, but it's a major factor in the true cost of car ownership. Understanding depreciation is crucial when making decisions about buying and selling vehicles. It's essential to factor in this loss of value when calculating the overall cost of owning a car. Navigating the road to affordable transportation. Now that you understand the hidden costs of car ownership, it's time to explore smarter transportation choices. Remember, it's not about giving up your freedom or convenience. It's about making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. One of the most effective ways to reduce transportation costs is to challenge the notion that you need the newest, shiniest car on the market. Consider buying a used car instead. Used cars come with significantly lower depreciation rates, meaning you'll save money in the long run. Plus, you'll have more negotiating power when it comes to price. Another often overlooked option is public transportation. While it might not be feasible for everyone, utilizing buses, trains, or subways can drastically reduce your monthly expenses on gas, insurance, and car payments. The power of used cars and public transportation. Buying used doesn't mean settling for a clunker. In fact, the used car market is filled with high-quality vehicles that have been well-maintained and still have plenty of life left in them. With a little research and patience, you can find a reliable used car that fits your needs and budget. Start by checking reviews and ratings online, and don't hesitate to ask for a vehicle history report. Check online marketplaces, local dealerships, and even consider certified pre-owned options for added peace of mind. Certified pre-owned cars often come with warranties and have undergone rigorous inspections. Public transportation has come a long way. Modern buses, trains, and even scooters are now more efficient, eco-friendly, and user-friendly than ever before. Many cities now offer efficient and convenient public transit systems that can get you where you need to go without the hassle of traffic and parking. These systems are designed to be accessible and reliable, making daily commutes smoother. Plus, utilizing public transportation gives you valuable time back in your day. You can use this time to read, catch up on work, or simply relax and enjoy the ride. By not being stuck behind the wheel, this can significantly reduce stress and improve your overall quality of life. If public transportation isn't a viable option for your daily commute, explore carpooling opportunities with colleagues or neighbors. Carpooling can be a great way to save money and reduce your environmental impact. Sharing rides not only saves money on gas and wear and tear on your vehicle, but also reduces your carbon footprint. It's a simple yet effective way to contribute to a greener planet. It's a win-win situation for your wallet and the environment. By making smart transportation choices, you can enjoy financial savings and contribute to a healthier planet for future generations. Maintenance and insurance, small costs, big savings. Don't underestimate the importance of regular vehicle maintenance. While it might seem like an added expense, staying on top of routine maintenance can save you significant money in the long run. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid checks help keep your car running smoothly and prevent costly repairs down the line. Just like you wouldn't skip a doctor's appointment, don't neglect your car's health. When it comes to car insurance, it's crucial to shop around and compare quotes from different providers. Insurance premiums can vary widely, so it's essential to find a policy that offers the right coverage at a competitive price. Don't be afraid to negotiate with insurance companies or consider bundling your auto insurance with other policies to potentially lower your rates. Drive your finances in the right direction. By now, you understand that transportation costs can be a major wealth killer. But here's the good news. You have the power to change that. By implementing the strategies we've discussed, you can take control of your transportation expenses and redirect that money toward your financial goals. Remember, it's not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and aspirations. Choose a used car over a brand new one. Embrace public transportation or carpooling options. Stay on top of vehicle maintenance and shop around for the best insurance rates. These small changes can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. Imagine the possibilities: paying off debt faster, investing more aggressively, or finally taking that dream vacation. It all starts with making smarter transportation choices today. So buckle up and get ready to drive your finances in the right direction.